Hello, this is Donald Vlasic with Apex Computer Solutions, and I'm the project manager that is currently working on placing a bid for Nash Community College's new computer lab. Here I will show you a demo of what will be deployed on those desktops, what OS will be deployed on these desktops, and what programs will be installed. To achieve this, I have created a Windows 10 virtual machine using Oracle VirtualBox. In just a few moments, I will start the virtual machine and begin the demo. As you can see, I have allocated 80 gigs of storage space, 8,000 megabytes of base memory, which is technically 8 gigs. The reason I did this was so that the environment and the desktop can run at the peak performance that I expect the new computer lab to run. Now, in just a moment, I will click Start. When I do, it will immediately log in, which will be contrary to how the actual environment will work. Normally, before a student even logs into this system, there'll be a basic policy. This policy will tell the do's and don'ts and the repercussions that would occur if a student or faculty member misuses the machine, and what are the appropriate guidelines that are supposed to be met within this lab. Also, if it's a first-time student, they will have to create a new password, same for faculty. But for this, it will automatically log into what I have set up as NCC guest, or Nash Community College guest. So, I'm about to begin the demo in 3, 2, 1. There we go. VirtualBox is beginning to start up. And now we're launching into Windows. This will take a minute in the virtual machine, but should not take as long when it comes to the real desktops if we get the chance to build this lab. Now here we go. Normally we would have to put in a password and log in, but see, it will automatically log into the Nash Community College guest desktop environment. I did install, excuse me, put in a Nash Community College admin account on this virtual machine as well. It'll be the same for all the environments, all the desktop computers themselves as well. Just so a person that is running the lab, if there should be an issue, they can fix problems, install software that is needed for students, and things like that. But for right now, I'll be showing you the local guest account. Now here we are. We're on the desktop splash page, the splash page. Here you can see on the taskbar, I put Google Chrome and Mozilla for use, whichever the student's preference or the professor's preference. Over here we have four shortcut apps. One is Google Drive. Before I began this demo, I logged in with my own Google account, professional Google account, so that I can show you these apps working in real time in the virtual environment. Now give me one second. Since the virtual machine is has been starting up, it might take a few minutes. And there we have it. There's Google Drive working. These right here are shortcuts so that when a student clicks on it, it'll take them to Google Sheets, Google Docs, and Google Slides. There we go. Ha. And there's both of the shortcuts in action right there. Take you to Google Sheets. There's some old projects that I've done. Please ignore those. I'm going to show you the Google Docs shortcut is working. There we go. Google Docs is working. Now, let me describe this for you right here. This is Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome, I have added the Nash Community College webpage, the Microsoft webpage, and the Google.com webpage. The Nash Community College is so students can easily access the website page, so they can sign into their student SharePoint, so they can go ahead and so they have access to their emails, their student finances, their schedules, and also to their Moodle right here under My Nash. I will close this down for right now. Now, over here is a full suite of programs that I have installed. I have installed some things that cannot be used by students, which is Spedicy, Rakuva. These are recovery tools. Same with CC Cleaner, Disk Cleanup. And I put in FileZilla for students to access and unzip files. And also VLC Player, so any types of videos, such as any things that they're doing for projects, they'll be able to play it back with relative ease, and same with Adobe Acrobat. Adobe Acrobat can be used for them to look through PDFs. And I did Notepad++ for programming. As you can see, and also I've installed the Office suite. So we have things like PowerPoint and Teams and Word and Outlook. Excuse me. Like, for example, I can click on PowerPoint, and there it is. The PowerPoint page is working. Now I've installed Bitdefender. Bitdefender is here to keep the computer safe. It'll be an extra line of defense of antivirus software to protect from any unwanted phishing attempts or viruses that may hinder the network. Now there will be plenty of more advanced software that'll be done on the servers, but this is just the basic line of defense for students. Well, this will conclude the demo for the Nash Community College desktops. I hope this helps you put us into further consideration as the team that will deliver this lab to you. This is Donald Vlasic here at Apex Computer Solutions, where we are bringing schools into the future. Thank you.